The French Navy has publicly slammed Pakistan-based media for spreading fake claims about Operation Sindhur and even inventing comments that were never made by a French commander. The clarification was blunt. The Marine Nationale accused GeoTV and its correspondent Hamid Mir of publishing fabricated statements claiming France endorsed Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack, where 26 civilians were killed, and during India's Operation Sindhur. In a social media post, Mir had said, French commander revealed secret behind air combat victory of Pakistan over India in May 2025. He told me problem was not in the Rafale, actually this jet was not used properly. France says none of it is true. Not the endorsement, not the quotes, not even the commander's name. In a social media post, the French Navy said, these statements were attributed to Captain Lonny, who never gave his consent for any form of publication. The article contains extensive misinformation and disinformation. First name is Ivan, not Jacques. Captain Ivan Lonny presented the assets of his naval air base. When asked the question about Operation Sindhur, he neither confirmed nor denied that Indian aircraft had been shot down. This isn't a one-off blunder. Pakistan has a long record of pushing fake military triumphs, especially around Rafales, from claiming radar failures to alleging Indian jets were shot down, none of which has ever been verified. Even Pakistan's top leadership joined the misinformation trail.
राफेल हमारे शाहीनों के निशाने पर आए और अल्लाह के फजल से फेल हो गए।
उन्होंने रिलीज किया हमारे उकाब झपटे और आनन फानन 5 जहाज जिनमें 3 राफेल उनको मार कराया और उनको ऊंधे मुंह वो कश्मीर पर जाकर गिरे, बठिंडा में जाके गिरे।
Under Air Chief Marshal Zahir Babar Sidhu, our Falcons took flight and etched their answer across the skies, resulting in 7 of the Indian jets turned to scrap and dust. A decisive response.
Indian government officials have slammed the Pakistan government in the past for spreading misinformation.
आखिरकार ये एक देश है जिसने अपना इसका जन्म लेते ही झूठ शुरू हो गया था। 1947 में जब पाकिस्तानी फौज ने जम्मू कश्मीर पे दावा बोला तो उन्होंने किसी ऐसे वैसे व्यक्ति से नहीं, संयुक्त राष्ट्र से झूठ बोला कि हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं है इससे। ये लोग जो गए हैं वो तो कबायली हैं। वो तो जब हमारी फौज वहां पे पहुंची और यूएन के लोग, संयुक्त राष्ट्र के लोग खुद वहां पे पहुंचे और उन्होंने देखा कि वहां तो पाकिस्तानी फौज घुसपैठ करके आ गई है, उसके बाद पाकिस्तान को मुंह की देखनी पड़ी और उनको मानना पड़ा कि हाँ उनकी फौज वहां पे कुछ समय से पड़ी हुई है। तो ये जो यात्रा है एक तरह से 75 साल पहले शुरू हो चुकी है। तो आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज्ड दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ disinformation is being indulged in.
France exposed the lie, India exposed the motive, and Pakistan exposed itself. Fake Rafale kills, fake French endorsements, all part of a collapsing misinformation campaign.